Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to connect your Google account to your Ellii account. So the next time you log in, you can log in with Google instead. So let's get started. First, log into your Ellii account with your email and your password. Once you have logged in, click the arrow next to your name and click Account from the drop-down menu. From here, scroll down until you see Connected Accounts. To the right, click the blue View button, and then click the Connect button at the bottom. From here, enter the email your Google account is under. Enter your password, and click Next. This will then bring you back to your account page where you'll get a message that says your Google account has been successfully connected. This means the next time you go to log in to Ellii, you can log in with Google instead. Please just make sure you are already logged into your Google account from your browser. That's it for this video on how to connect your Google account to your Ellii account. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.